for today, I'm going to learn on how to use GoPro Hero 4. So, ayun. Birthday gift ko kay hubby. So, ayan siya. As you can see. So, kasi I'm using my gadget also to see my image. So, ayan si hubby na kakalkal ng kung ano-ano. Ayan. So, matcha daw siya. Ayan, yung accessories ng GoPro. Ayan. Ayan, busy siya. Magkalkal-kal ng aming new toy. So, ayan. Yun, tas plan namin bumili ng mga accessories online. So, ayun, harami na daw ni hubby. So, mamaya na ulit i-continue ang vlog. Okay? Ellie! You like the ball? You like the ball? Elise! Baby, look at mommy, oh. Hi! Hi, pretty girl.